Hey guys, it's me Crazy Barbie here, and I'm back with a part 2 to my new series, starting a YouTube channel for beginners. I'm going to be telling you some things that you're going to need as a beginner YouTuber and some things that you will need as a more experienced YouTuber. To start off, I'm going to be telling you the things that you need as a beginner YouTuber. Things that you actually need. The first thing is you do not need a camera and a tripod. Just use your phone, your tablet, your iPad, iPod, whatever you have that has a good quality camera, and use it. You do not need box lights or ring lights. Use natural light that comes in the morning. Just wake up, open your windows, film in front of that window. You do not need an expensive laptop. You really don't. You don't need a laptop to even edit. You just use your phone. You can use iMovie if you have an Apple iPhone. You could use Pocket Video. You could just use any free editor. You could even use just free trials if you have a laptop. Find some free trials on whatever editor you want to use. You do not need an extra room to film. I've seen beauty gurus who have... You do not need an extra room to film. You can really just use a tiny spot in your room and just film there. Like, I'm using a piece of my living room to film right now. Like, I usually film in my room. Like, I just clean up and I just use the wall. And that's it. You don't need like a whole room to like put your stuff. You don't need like your setup over there. You don't need all of that. Just get a little spot and record. And you do not need a backdrop. Just use a wall. So those are the things that you need as a beginner. You do not need those things. You need just any kind of camera, like a phone, iPod, whatever. You do not need a tripod. Just like put your phone against like the couch or like a candle or anything and just film. You don't need a tripod. You do not need like any of those expensive equipment. You could just start off using what you already own. Now that you have got the hang of YouTube, you've done some videos, you're feeling more experienced, you know more, I'm going to be telling you what you need as an experienced YouTuber. And I am telling you from experience. I have been on YouTube for years. I had a YouTube channel way before this one, and it didn't work out. I was young, so I didn't really know much. I'm getting better at YouTube. Like, I know more tips and tricks and stuff, enough to help you. First thing is you need a good quality camera. So I use a Canon Rebel T6. You can use whatever you want, but I recommend Canons, Nikon, Sony. Those cameras have good quality. Make sure you get a DSLR. Don't get no little tiny camera. Like, my camera cost $600. So find you a good camera. Like, it's going to be pricey, but the quality, amazing. Also, get you a tripod. I honestly don't remember how much my tripod cost, but I just remember getting it at Walmart. I saw it and I freaked out and I had to get it because I was like, I've been looking for a tripod since forever. I've been using a tiny little tripod from like, I don't even know where, but that's what I was using, and now I just use that for vlogging because it's so much easier. But yeah. Also, if you got the money, get an extra camera for if this one breaks, or for vlogging, get a smaller one. Get a ring light or box light or umbrella lights. So I have 2 large box lights. I don't always use them because sometimes they are way too bright and it makes me look pale in my videos. Sometimes I just use the natural light. Like right now I am using natural light, but I am using one of my box lights, but I have it further away so it's not as bright. But you do need lights because it's going to make your videos sharper. It's going to help the camera make your videos sharper and neat. I recommend not using yellow lights. Use either white lights or natural lights because the yellow light is going to make your videos look yellow. That's what I used to use, and I used to look orange in my videos. So now I mix yellow light with white lights and it makes my videos look good. Especially with your, like, depending on your skin tone, like certain lights will make you look bad. Get a laptop to edit. So I have 2 laptops. The reason why I have 2 laptops is because I already had one, but I needed another one for editing. So I got this laptop right here that I'm using for notes. I have this that I use for editing. I use iMovie. And I have my other laptop. Let's see if I can get it. I have my other laptop. This one I use as a viewfinder so I can see myself when I am filming. It's much larger than what's on this camera, but this camera does not come with the viewfinder that like flips out. So I have to use this anyways or I'm not going to be able to see anything. So using my laptop really helps with that. So yeah. So get a good laptop or computer. Get a good computer. Like if you're a gamer, get a gaming computer. Using a backdrop will make your videos look so much nicer. Like look at my backdrop. Look at my backdrop. Isn't it cute? Like instead of just having like a plain background, like this is actually really cute. And the last tip that I have for more experienced YouTubers is get a microphone, or you can use your phone to record your voice. Just go like this and, you know, well, not like this throughout your whole video. I mean like have it like over here to record your voice, because that's going to make your voice sound louder, more crisp in your video, and it's going to make your video sound a lot better than whatever is on the mic on your camera or phone or whatever. But you don't really need a mic or anything like that, because I'm not using one right now and I sound fine. Maybe not. My voice probably sounds a little cracky because it's morning and I'm tired. I don't know, a lot of you guys could relate. So yeah, that's all the tips that I have for you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for part 3. I don't know what I'm going to do for part 3 yet. I still got to plan that out. Probably going to show you guys how to do an intro. But whatever video you want to see, comment it down below. See you guys in my next video.